Yo, what up guys? Thanks for coming into my channel. My name is Kevin Pack. I'm a six-figure Amazon seller. And in today's video, I just want to talk to you guys, give you guys some updates. First off, the FBA course right now is about 80% complete. I'm almost done. So if you guys want to be there when it's released, then I suggest you go down, hit the link in the description to join the Amazon Business Society Facebook group. And then whoever's in that group is gonna be the first people to get their hands on it. The first 10 people that enroll will get $100 off my course. The course will include a step-by-step process of the Amazon business alongside that with mentorships and coaching calls as well. So stay tuned for that, be ready for that. Next update is my life. So this setup right here, which you see is my room at my mom's house right now, but I got approved for a new apartment and I'm super excited. I'm gonna be moving in the beginning of February. I'm super excited to finally just be out on my own, have my own place. So you guys are gonna see a new setup and everything, and I'm super excited to show you guys that. Once it's all complete, it's gonna take some time. So it's gonna be a few weeks, but I am gonna be getting my own place in California. No roommates, no nothing, just me. It's not cheap, but I'm glad and I'm blessed that I'm able to do that, and it's because of my Amazon business. Next up, we're gonna be talking about how fitness made me richer. So yes, I'm talking about working out, I'm talking about nutrition, and I'm telling you guys, if you guys already know who I am, I'm a personal trainer before Amazon business, and that's how I got started with everything. And I'm telling you right now, if it wasn't for me getting into fitness or getting into personal training, I wouldn't be where I'm at right now. I wouldn't be in this Amazon business, Amazon game, because I built such a strong foundation and strong mentality to succeed that it helped me push forward on my Amazon business. So what do I mean by how fitness made me richer? Well, those of you who already train and work out and do powerlifting or weightlifting, you know how much of a commitment it is to the sport, and and how much it is to work on your physique and work on your strength as well. There's a lot of dedication, commitment, patience, time invested into it, a lot of ups and downs, and a lot of times you want to give up and a lot of times you want to push yourself further. And if you think about it, the characteristics and factors that are played into fitness and working out are directly in line with succeeding in business. If you want to be able to change your body, if you want to get leaner, if you want to build more muscle, if you want to get stronger, if you want to deadlift more or squat more or bench more or snatch or clean and jerk more, there needs to be some kind of consistency, there needs to be some kind of dedication to it and perseverance. And those aspects are super important to learn if you're gonna be successful in any kind of business. So when I started out, I was just working on my physique. I've always been a small, skinny kid. There were moments I was fat as well, but I've been pretty small most of my life, and so I always had the determination and eagerness to want to gain weight, get stronger, build muscle, and build my physique. And so in high school, I started off doing that, and I'm telling you, this is what my schedule was like. I had early dismissal, and instead of just going straight home and just playing video games, I took my opportunity of leaving school early at 12 p.m. to go straight to the gym. It was a perfect time because nobody was there. So I got to take that time to just focus on myself and just start working out. See, that decision in itself of, instead of using my leisure time and my free time to just waste it, I used it productively to build myself and improve my inner self. From there, as I got more and more serious into fitness and working out, I became a personal trainer, and I also got into powerlifting. Now, powerlifting is a strength sport. If you guys don't already know what that is, a lot of my subscribers are into the fitness community and know about it. But powerlifting is a strength sport that dedicates a lot of time and a lot of pain and a lot of dedication to the sport. You're putting hundreds and hundreds of pounds of weight on you, and you're testing your body and you're pushing your body to the limit. And there are times where you're gonna feel like shit, where you just feel like your legs can't even move, or where you're so out of breath that you just want to lay down forever. But you stand up and you continue to do the reps and the work anyway. And in business, you need to be able to do that when there are some days where you're gonna be up 12 hours or you're gonna be up all night, and you need to push a little bit further to complete the task, because that's what it takes. Especially if you're working already at a 9-to-5 job and you want to do a side hustle and grow that business, you gotta work your 9 to 5 and you gotta work another 6 hours after that to do your side business and grow your side hustle. That's the dedication and commitment that's required. because I learned that early on, and I learned that while I was working out, and I learned how to not give up, I learned how to change my body, I learned how to be consistent, and I learned how to persevere when things got rough, when I wasn't making any progress with my body or strength. I learned how to adjust and change these things. It's how I was able to leave my personal training business. And you know, last year I made over $50,000 in personal training, and now I've made over $100,000 on Amazon. That's what's crazy. That's, you know, and I couldn't have done that without the dedication that I had and the experience I've had from fitness. So fitness, learning how to be good at fitness evolved me and transitioned over to business very, very well. So I always recommend to you guys, you keep fitness in your life. It doesn't have to be powerlifting, it doesn't have to be bodybuilding, but keep some kind of physical activity in your life, because you build tough skin, you build dedication, you build strong characteristics that are gonna help you in business and in your life. So I grew my personal training business from zero clients, $0 to over 30 clients and making over $5,000 a month in profit from personal training. From there, I took the money that I made from personal training and invested into my Amazon business, and I took that from zero, failing and losing $10,000, and I scaled it up to over $200,000 in a year. If you guys don't believe me, let me show you. So this is my seller account now. I'm gonna refresh. So we've done 11 sales today and over $10,000 in the past 30 days in sales. And then if I change it to 12 months, this is really cool. Amazon did a new thing where on the seller app, you can actually see your last 12 months. Before you can do that. But again, the last 12 months, December was an amazing month. November was an amazing month. Done over $200,000, over $220,000 in the past 12 months. Yeah, I was able to do that. And yeah, I'm kind of bragging a little bit, but I'm also giving you guys the facts and the reality of where I came from and what's actually possible. And I couldn't have done it without my fitness background. But also, I need to show you guys that proof. So yeah, I'm very grateful to be able to do that. But I need you guys to understand that I didn't just wake up to do that. I took a lot of years to understand and get good at fitness, build those traits, and apply it to my business. So that is how fitness made me richer. And I just wanted to throw that out to you guys right there and emphasize the importance of keeping a consistent routine of your exercise and your fitness, because I swear those characteristics, that discipline is gonna carry over, and fitness will end up making you richer. Take a look at the top people in the world, the top richest people in the world. They have some kind of consistent exercise 3 times a week, 4 times a week, 5 times a week, every morning, every weekend, or every night. It doesn't matter. They have something consistent, and it's all about that mental and physical strength. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's just super quick. Just wanted to talk to you guys about it. Give you guys, honestly, the thing that I owe all my success to, which is fitness. So if you guys haven't already, smash that like button. Hit that like button. It helps me out a lot. Hit the subscribe button, because I'm pretty sure you're not subscribed right now. So whoever you are watching right now, I know you're not subscribed, so hit the subscribe button. You're right there. Leave some comments and tell me what helps motivate you guys. What keeps you guys disciplined in order to succeed in any way in fitness or business? Let me know in the comments below. That'd be really cool. I'd love to hear from you guys. I want to just get better at interacting with all of you guys and keeping my channel lively like that. So if you could do that, that'd be great. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And remember, go make that money.